easy, peaceful style and thoughtful design, the International Travel Trailer earns its name everywhere you look. It's ready to excite as well as soothe. It's all about a fine balance that makes for the perfect adventure. That's what the International is here for, a silver sanctuary to help you get back to what really matters. Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV Marine in Missoula, Montana with a 2015 Airstream International. This is a 25RB, a rear bed, and they got a queen inside this one. I know it's an older model, but it's in immaculate shape, and I can't wait to share it with you as we go inside and take a little bit of a tour on the outside from a fanboy's perspective. All right, let's go inside and see how it's designed and decorated for a 2015 model. I just love how colorful this is. It's a warm feeling on the inside, whether it's the wood trim or these red, dark red seats around the front. Curtains here. I like these bendable lights. Oh, something about it. Look at that, Bluetooth. This is old school, isn't it? Bluetooth for the radio, slider, a Blu-ray disc, how about that? USB ports. Storage down here. Same thing around the edges. Great spot for seating for your meals, and also converts into a place to sleep. Here's a closer look now at the kitchen area. A little extra right there. I like the design of how this is rounded right here. More sliding storage behind these inside. Three top burner there. RV propane gas detector. This says classic Airstream to me. Little flat screen TV action there. Your microwave, your fridge. A little bit of storage for cereal. Oh, look at that! That's great. Some of this I'm seeing for the first time. I like to give you these first take looks sometimes, just so you can see it through my eyes for the first time. Excitement that I get as being a fanboy of Airstreams. Closet. And then over here, there's your bathroom. It's a decent amount of space right there, don't you think? So if that's that, then this is your shower. Not a ton of space for headroom, at least. So here's the Airstream International 25RB by the numbers. Exterior length, 25 feet 11 inches. The width, 8 feet 5.5 inches. The interior width is 8 feet 1 inches. Exterior height with an AC unit, 9 feet 9. Inside height is 6 feet 7.5. Your hitch weight is 835 pounds. The unit base weight with the LP and batteries is 5,600. The maximum trailer capacity, 7,300 pounds. Water capacity numbers now. Freshwater tank, 39 gallons. Gray water tank, 31. Black water tank, 34 gallons. Airstream says you can sleep up to 6 here in the International. A few more numbers. The convertible dinette lounge and bed is 42 by 97. And the master bed configuration with the queen, 60 by 75, the twin, 34 by 80. And then we have a queen bed here. And what I like about this queen bed is that you can get around on both sides. You know, at least a little bit. And outfitted with USBs there. Plenty of natural light to come in when you're ready to wake up to the sunrise. I think those are cool, those lights there. Another flat screen TV. Hey, look, a base camp. I just love everything about an Airstream. Now back to the front. Sunlight coming through, skylight there. I just love all the different windows, just the way they're built. It's beautiful, huh? Yeah, this is a 2015 model. What do you think? Would you go on an adventure in one of these? Now I know this is an older model of 2015, but if you went for a newer model, the MSRP range on a brand new Airstream International is between $92,000 and $115,000. Again, thanks to my friends over at Brett's RV in Marina, Missoula for allowing me to share this with you. You can see all their information by clicking the link below this video, talking about contact information, inventory, both new and used, like this one, by going to brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.